If your small business is still going through financial hardship, there is a new $10,000 grant available that if you want it, you need to be quick because you have until November 23rd, 2021 to apply for this new $10,000 grant. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. Hello from Freedomtax Accounting. We're an accounting firm where we have been providing quality tax and accounting services now for over 20 years. If you're new to this channel, we provide strategies for small business owners so they can achieve their financial goals. Also, Freedomtax is part of Freedom Group, where we are a group of 4 companies where we provide tax, accounting, immigration, real estate, insurance, and financial planning services. The links to all of our websites are going to be in the description of this video. Now, 2021 is ending, and most of you may have already received the PPP, the EIDL loan, the EIDL grant, but you still need other additional funding in order to make your business continue to function during this coronavirus pandemic. Now, there is a new $10,000 grant available, and to be clear, this is not a grant from the SBA. Okay, this is a private grant. And there are many grants available from private entities that if you just look in Google, grants for small businesses or COVID-19 grants, there are still many grants available for small businesses that they don't necessarily come from the SBA. So there is still help available for small businesses out there. Now, we wanted to showcase and show you this grant because it is backed up by 2 very good organizations. We think it's a very good grant, and we just wanted to share it with you. Okay, so this is the grant. The grant is a grant from LegalZoom and the NBA. Okay, so they have this new $10,000 grant, which you apply via this website, and I am going to provide a link to this website in the description of this video so you can do the application online. Okay, so the application is very simple. Okay, but basically the details of the grant, once again, is coming from LegalZoom and the NBA and the WNBA. Okay, now who is eligible for this grant? It says that your small business needs to be based in the United States. It has to be in business for at least 6 months. The business between 6 and 12 months has to have a business license or a sole proprietorship formation document. It has to have an annual revenue of less than $1 million. You do have to have a business bank account, and it cannot be an industry identified as prohibited industry. If you want more information on what are the prohibited industry, you just click there and open up a new tab. Okay, and basically it gives you a list of all the businesses that cannot apply for these funds. Okay, now they're going to give out $110,000 grants. So they're only going to give 100 grants. 50 of them will be awarded in January 2022, and another 50 to coincide with the WNBA season later in 2022. Now, if you don't get the $10,000 grant, they're also going to provide 2,000 businesses with $500 to be used in LegalZoom services, which is pretty good. Okay, the deadline, as you can see, is November 23rd, 2021. The application is only in English. Can my business apply more than once? No, you can only apply once. And it gives you the list of the documentation that you're going to need. You're going to need to upload your last tax return, meaning a corporate tax return or a Schedule C if you are a sole proprietorship, a copy of your business license, a front and back copy of the owners, either the driver's license, the government employee card, the passport, the most recent bank statement. You're going to have to provide the W-9 form, which is this form. It's a pretty simple form to fill out. They also want you to fill out the ACH form, which you just download from this link. This is a document where basically you provide your bank information in order for them to make the deposit. Okay, so the application is very simple. You just go to this website, which I am going to provide a link to this website in the description of this video, and you just answer the question. See, is your business currently operating? Yes. Well, you put no. Yes. Your annual revenue, choose the amount that's your annual revenue. Have you been in business for the last 6 months? You put yes if it has. All right. Is your business one of the industries prohibited? If it is, then put yes, but if it's not, click no. This will automatically expand to the rest of the application, and the rest is very, very simple. Your name, your email, your gender, the business legal name, your industry, your EIN number, the business website, the social media page, your address, description of your business, and then are you interested in getting a promo from LegalZoom? And here it gives you the list of the documents that you're going to have to upload. And you scroll down and you just upload the documents here. Okay, this is a very simple form, and we thought that it was a good idea for to share this grant with you. Now, to be clear, this is a new grant. We just found out about this grant since it is being backed up by two very good entities, LegalZoom and the NBA. We feel that we want to share this information with you. So none of our clients have received this grant. We did some applications for our clients to see if they get them. So there's no guarantee that you're going to get it. But if you need $10,000 grant to help you financially, this is a good option. It doesn't hurt to try and get it. All right. So thank you for watching this video. If you have received value out of this information, please like and share this information with other business owners. And remember that we are praying for you, praying for your family, and praying for your business. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye-bye.